She's one of the Suncoast's most talented singers and songwriters, and she's a Florida native. Here to perform one of her original works is Sara Nelms. Take it away, Sara.
Bohemian woman with a gypsy soul, wanted it all, but music never let go. She got the heart of a mother, but makes her home on the road. Yet she longs to stop roaming, plant her roots and grow. Well, she thought that she was free, but as far as she can see, when you're chasing destiny, that kind of life, it don't come cheap.
Just got married to a friend of ours. Tell me about that.
Yeah, Justin Lehman and I have been playing music for a while, and then we decided we should be more than just collaborators.
And now they make beautiful music together. I love that. Justin was on our show, last week?
Yes.
And we just learned that you two are together. That's great.
And you are going on a honeymoon tour together?
Yeah, in August, we're going to go from San Diego to San Francisco and see the sights and play some music.
Oh, that's excellent. That's really neat.
But this Saturday, you've got a show here. Tell us about that.
Yeah, so this Saturday, I'm doing a singer-songwriter showcase with some amazing women. It's called Girls and Their Guitars at the Cock and Bull at 8:30.
Oh, that should be very, very good. Justin will be in the audience.
If he doesn't have his own show.
Wonderful. Well, we're going to be back and do some world-class fencing. But first, would you sing us out?
Absolutely.
Oh, boy.
Bohemian woman with a gypsy soul, wanted it all, but music never let go. She got the heart of a mother, but makes her home on the road. Yet she longs